Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is PeoplePerHour video not exporting 2026. There can be several common reasons. File size or length limits. Very large or long videos may fail to export due to processing limits. Browser or app issues. Outdated browser, app versions, or glitches can interrupt the export process. Internet connection problems. A weak or unstable connection can cause export to stop or fail. Server or processing delays. Exporting may rely on servers, and high traffic or temporary issues can delay or fail processing. Unsupported format or settings. Incorrect video format, codec, or export settings can lead to errors. Insufficient device resources. Low RAM or storage space can prevent successful export. Cache or data corruption. Corrupted cache files may interfere with the export process. Permission or account issues. Restricted access or session expiry can block exporting. If the issue persists, try reducing file size, refreshing the page, clearing cache, or contacting PeoplePerHour support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.